Hello, in this video we're gonna check the price for Amazon Prime in 2024. And to do this, first let's visit Amazon main website, and as you can see my region is United States, and the price for that specific region can be checked by typing in a Prime in the search. Then on top we have a Prime button like this. Then we can scroll down a bit and check explore other plans, and that way you will see the price for your Amazon Prime. And for United States region, Prime monthly costs $14.99 US. Prime annual, which is for whole year, is $139. Prime student monthly is $7.49, and qualified government assistance is $6.99. And keep in mind that changing the region to your specific one will also change the price. So there's different price in Poland, in Great Britain, and etc. United Kingdom. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.